Yo. It's Fox. I'm here for robbery.
What's up, guys? My name is Jason Monet. All my former students would call me J Money. And, I'm here for indecent exposure and embezzlement. And they caught me fucking a student and stealing money at the same time. But, you know, it's okay. It'll be okay.
My name is Damon. I'm here for stealing cars and selling drugs.
Well, my name's Skip, and I'm here for the third account of DUI.
They call me Big Evil. You don't need to know my charge. Just know I'm in here for life.
I got that before.
Hey, Bo.
What up?
Hey, man, you stole my card? My credit card.
I had to get some porn.
Man, get in my fucking shit, dog. Fuck wrong with you? Oh, Lord, fuck this.
Hey, bro, you know my spot.
Man, fuck your spot.
Man, you have to come off this spot.
Oh.
Nigga, I see you gotta come off this spot. What are you talking about? Hoe ass nigga. Punk ass nigga.
Fuck your J's, nigga. Yo, I ain't no carpenter, but I think I fucked this shit up.
Nigga, what the fuck?
Hey, real talk. I did this a couple times with my students, though. It's very fixable. But I'm still
on my way. Hold on, hoe ass.
What?
How did you break it?
Fuck, came off the hinges.
What do you mean?
You know, I'm gonna put it this way, and this may be the teacher in me coming out. I'm very disappointed. I'm very disappointed. Let me give you a lecture here about breaking doors.
Whoa. Where the fuck are you going? Man, I'm selling this shit. Oh, what the fuck you doing?
What sells a door?
Bro, you taking the door, dog? Nigga, I'm taking this shit.
Man, fuck this shit!
Hey. Give my door back. Give my door back. We finna fix this shit. Oh, bro. We finna fix this shit. I'm about to sell this shit for $5.99. $5.99? Yeah. I'll get more use out of my
Over a
privacy.
fucking door.
Yeah.
Is this fucking thing on? Yeah, it is. Damn, I'm good. So your boy Skip fucked up today and broke a door. I don't know how that happened, but niggas started wilding out. And honestly, I thought the door fucking disappeared, but that's just me. Fuck it. Anyway, these niggas is crazy, so I'm out.
Ah, fuck.
Hey, there was 3 muffins here. Hey! Did you
What the
hear me?
fuck do you want, bro?
There used to be 3 muffins here.
I guess your fat ass ate it.
No, I didn't eat it. I think you ate it.
You think I ate it?
Yeah, well, I didn't fucking eat it. I didn't fucking eat it.
You're the only big motherfucker around here.
What am I supposed to
Have you been on Weight Watchers?
Come on, bro!
Good. What you looking at?
Hold on, what the fuck was
Who the
that?
fuck are you?
What the fuck was that?
That muffin. Oh,
Look,
go take care of your shit, big boy.
you ate my fucking chocolate muffin?
Oh, what you gonna do about it?
I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do about it. Okay. What a fucking day. Big Evil. I thought that motherfucker ate my chocolate muffin. I had 3 of them bitches. He was the one standing there. So, what's a man to expect? I mean, he's the only other fat guy in the fucking place. You know, everybody else is skinny as shit. Then the other motherfucker walks in, puts a plate in the sink. So it's better to beat his ass. Least I could do to stay positive, just rub some of that shit in his face. Then I get smacked. I'm gonna end up killing myself, I promise.
Alright. Hide your food. Hide your chillings. hide your Sour Patch Kids, hide everything. I swear to God, that fat fuck be getting angry about every little fucking food item that go missing in this motherfucking house. I tell you what, man. You lucky I didn't knock him the fuck out. Old ass nigga coming up to me, accusing me of stealing his shit. I ain't even as fat as him. I was drinking water like a healthy nigga should be. But nah. You ate my muffin, dog. Real. And then, motherfucker walks in with the plate. Boy, oh boy. Yeah, did he accuse the wrong nigga? Fuck yeah, he did. But that nigga got slapped up at the end though. Like he thought it was hot shit coming in here talking about, hey, ate my cupcake. I'm about to fuck you up. And then ended up getting fucked up. None of these niggas in here can touch me, dog.
That's why I just like,
Hey, where you at, nigga?
Whooping your ass, that's where I'm at, bitch
That
ass.
bullshit.
Ooh!
Shit.
Oh!
Fuck this game, dog. Let's square up, dog. What? Oh shit. Oh. Oh, what up? What the fuck?
Ooh, blew that one up though.
bro, did you piss on the fucking toilet seat?
The fuck you talking?
Bro, clean that shit up.
what the
Trying
fuck
to
you
piss, bro. Go clean it up, dog. We grown ass men out here, cuz. You pissing on the
Listen,
toilet
you
seat,
know that-
bro?
that-
You a teacher. You a whole ass teacher.
Hey, I like that ice.
Oh, you like it?
Yeah, it sort of looks like mine.
Nah, ain't you.
I was looking for my third one.
This ain't yours, dog.
Oh, it's not mine?
No.
It's not mine?
Nah.
Yeah, I think it's mine, bro. Shit. I think it's definitely fucking mine.
Oh, shit. More. Yeah. You know, I'm the man in this bitch. Nobody can't fuck with me in this motherfucker. Skip all them motherfuckers. E, I'm the fucking man. Sticking my man's chain on me. You know, robbing niggas. Yeah. This camera on this thing. I might take this motherfucker.